Everyone, this is Kingdom of Vlogs, a Filipino reactor-based team in Saudi Arabia, and welcome back to my channel. Agad-agad ko natin reaction video ang Jillman compilation. So I won't take any longer, let's start this reaction video. Let's check it out what Jillman has to offer. Anong meron? Ito yung kahapon. Ang ganda talaga ni Jill, no? Iba talaga si Jill, ma'am. Sinasabi ko sa inyo. Jillian ate and left no crumbs. Right? Back off. Tama ba yun? Okay. Ay, ano to? Anong atake niya dyan? Ganyan ba talaga dapat, ma'am? Okay, what's next? Ay, Jillian at Joshua paras ni DS. Ay, totoo ba? Ni Jillian. Ay, ito. Ay, kumanta siya. Ganda ng boses niya. Yeah. Ganun. Isa pa nga, ang ganda ng boses siya dito eh. Ang ganda ng riffs and runs niya. Oh my God. Pak. Okay. Anyways. Ay. Hello? Pak. Oh. Hindi mo kaya. Baka si Jillian Ward yan. Okay, what's next? Anyways.
Meron silang sense actually na sobrang relaxing.
Ano?
Party talaga siya ng routine ko before and after. Well, of course, aside from working and trying to improve sa craft ko, like doing dance trainings and voice lessons and workshops. Syempre, I'm excited to go to the beach and just try out new activities. It doesn't involve work. More time for myself and my family and friends. Definitely part na siya ng routine ko when I'm trying to calm down after taping. Meron silang sense actually na sobrang relaxing. Sarap lang mag-unwind after a long day at work. Smell my skin because it smells so good because of DW. But also actually, part din siya ng routine ko before going to work. To my DW family, thank you so much for trusting
DW
me.
family.
I'm so happy to be growing older with you guys. Meron silang
Okay.
sense
Anyways, ay, hello. Ay, ano to? Sabing visuals, latest photoshoot.
Serving
Tingin.
visual sa kanyang latest photoshoot ang kapuso star of the new gen na si Jillian Ward. Ipli-next ni Jillian ang toned figure sa kanyang black outfit, pati na ang kanyang straight and bouncy hair. Mapapanood ang star of the
Bouncy
new
hair.
gen sa kapuso prime drama na Never Say Die na malapit nang magtapos.
Okay. Ay, hello. Ladies and gentlemen. Okay.
Goodness gracious!
Sorry,
Ikaw
natawa
ay
ako.
nag-shoplift.
Sorry, natawa ako.
You are the one caught stealing on CCTV. Oh my God, no way. I cannot take this anymore. No way. My twin brother is a criminal.
Anyways, ano to? Ganda ni Jillian. Okay. Ay, hello. Grabe. Ay, ang ganda niya talaga, ma'am. Ang ganda talaga ni Jillian. Ay, si Eman. Latest update nila ni Jillian Eman. Wala na talaga. Ang tahimik din ni Eman, ha? Sa totoo lang. Sobrang tahimik ni Eman. Out. Anyways, that is our for today's video. This is Keep Vlogs. See you on my next vlog. Bye.